Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you're fine. This indicator is available free of cost in the trading view, and I will show you the details of this indicator because this indicator is awesome. Okay, and you will get lot of signal, buy and sell signal, and there is a cloud like this one. Okay, I will give you the whole details of this indicator. Okay, and you will love it. You can see the green one, and you can see the market going upside and amazingly upside. Okay, so first, how this strategy, because there are a lot of signal here. You can see the sell signal, but these are fake signal. Okay, you have need to follow only buy signal when this line is green. Second condition, there is a RSI. RSI is the most important one, most important one. And if you will follow my rules, definitely you will get a very good profit at the end of each day. Okay, so let's start the video. Just small request, please subscribe my channel and must like video. Okay, first we have need to add the indicator, and at the video I will give you the name of the indicators, and you will and the setting as well. So the rules, the first rule, here you can see there's two indicator. The first indicator will give you the band line, RSI, and the buy and sell signal. The second indicator will give you the, here you can see this one, cloud one. Here you can see this clouds. Okay, and look like this one hull suit, look like the hull suit, but it is not a hull suit. Okay, so here you can see when the clouds are green. Okay, remember, clouds are green, and the RSI must be low from the lower band line. So this is your buy position. Okay, cloud must be green one, and the RSI must be below from the lower band line. Forget about the buy and sell signal. Okay, just forget about the buy and sell signal. Just two rules, simple. RSI should be below from the lower band line, and the candle must be upside from the this cloud. Okay, and the third one, cloud should be green. That's it. Cloud green, RSI is below from the lower band line, and the candle is upside from the this one, cloud one. Okay, so simple three rule actually. I am telling you two, but it's three rules. Okay, first rule, this cloud should be the green one. Second one, this RSI should be below from the lower band line. The third rule, candle must close upside from the this cloud, like this one closing upside from the cloud. And this is your buy position. You can put your stop loss here, and you can see you got amazing profit. You can close your trade here. Okay, let's for remember, here you can see RSI is not coming below from this one. Here you can see that one can RSI is now coming below from the lower band line. Second one, cloud should be the green one. Third rule, candle should close upside from the cloud, and here you can see the cloud candle is closing upside, and you see the results. Okay, amazing. Yes, it is. Here you can see another one. All conditions are true. When the RSI coming below from the lower band line, then you need to open your, do not need to look at any condition. Just open your buy position. You can put a very small stop loss, and you can see here you can see that is also coming below from the lower band line, but not not touching to the lower band line. So if you want, you can use this buy position, but I will not recommend because it was you can see the candle was too far away from the lower band line. But at this point, when the candle is very close to the lower band line, okay, and after touching to the cloud, candle closing upside from the cloud and the RSI, this one, open your buy position, put your stop loss here, then you can see the results. Here you can see another one. You can open your buy position because this candle is closing upside from the cloud or the RSI. You can open your buy position, put your stop loss, and you can see that it's going amazing so far. Okay, let's move to the 1 minute time frame, because the mostly audience demand the indicator that perfectly fine on 1 minute, because the mostly people like to trade in 1 minute time frame. So that's why here you can see the RSI cloud was green, but is in the market zone, or you can say the in the cloud and the RSI mix up. So here market is in range, so you can say that you can go for the buy and sell trade. But here you can see RSI was touching to the lower band line, and the candle is closing upside from the RSI and the cloud. So you can open your buy position, and you can see the result. I do not need to show you because this is awesome. Okay, let's move further, and let me show you some perfect trades here. Here you can see that is very when the RSI is very close and the candle is almost touching to the lower band line. After touching to the lower band line, come upside, or you can say the candle close upside from the RSI, so you can open your buy position from this point. Okay, so hopefully you will love it. Okay, let's move further, and let's see, let me show you some perfect trades example. Okay, let me show you some perfect trades here. This one, candle is closing upside from the cloud and the RSI, you can see that is amazing. Here is another example, and let me show you more trades here. Okay, that was also a good one, and that is awesome. Okay, although the cloud changes, cloud color is changes, you can say that this is sell trade. But remember, when the RSI and when the RSI is upside from the cloud, this will be your buy trade. Either the cloud change its color, but it's a buy position. Okay, but when the RSI below, let me show you example. Here you can see there is a perfect example. This one, cloud color is green, but the RSI is below from the lower band, sorry, from the cloud. Okay, so this will be your sell position, and you can see, let me show you an example of buy position. Here you can see, let me show you. Okay, here you can see this one, this can be your sell position but not a buy position. This is your buy example, clearly example buy. Okay, buy example, buy trade. Okay, and and you have need to look only perfect trades. Okay, do not look like this one. This one is your perfect trade, but we have need to look only confirm signal. Okay, we have need to focus on only confirm signals. Okay, like here this one example, after getting this signal, you can see you got some good profit here. Okay, so these are the indicators name. This indicator is not available actually. This indicator is not available. This indicator is available free of cost in the trading view. Just need to find type THMA plus. Indicator is from the Big Blue. Okay, Big Blue. Yeah, this one. Okay, you just need to type, click here, and the setting of this indicator should be like this one, 440 close 115. That's it. And the second indicator is not available in trading view, and this indicator but it's paid, and you have need to contact me if you need this indicator. So if you need the indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here, इफ़ यू नीड द इंडिकेटर यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर, टेलीग्राम, सिंपल होगा वन. ओके. And if you need my premium indicators, because I did give you all details of my premium indicators in my videos, and you can watch the video and get all the details of my premium indicators. Okay. And Gmail simple hoga at gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any query, any question you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.